manager has asked me to show him my tools. He's wanting to see what we've got on board as standard, I believe. Well, that was the message I got. So not including anything that I may carry in luggage racks or backpacks. This is what came with this bike. Quite Gucci little scrambler wallet, but there's not a lot in it, more than you get in a lot of bikes nowadays. Assortment of Allen keys, hex keys, and one of those Phillips and normal screwdrivers, fuse pincher, and suspension adjuster, and a little socket spanner. So yeah, pretty basic. But saying that, the last time I was out with my mates, I did have to use an Allen key. Not the most comprehensive toolkit, but better than nothing. And like I say, a lot more than you get on some bikes these days, as you will see. And while we're at it, nice bit of room in there for the well, for anything. Let's see, my phone, never actually tried this. Ooh, no, not that much room, can't fit a phone in. And that's when I normally put my microphone when I'm recording places I go audio. So sometimes you'll hear things rattling about, and it'll be this. So I actually need to have a look at getting that to stay down, tying it in so it doesn't jolt around. Anyway, so that's what you get underneath the seat of a Ducati Scrambler. Now, the Street Fighter is the total opposite. It's quite cavernous, the storage space that you've got under the seat, so you'd be surprised. I've actually got to, let me just release that, I've actually got to tie the toolkit down with a tether, a bit of rope here, just to make sure that when it falls down inside I can get to it, because there's a couple of times I've barely been able to reach it. It's quite difficult to get it back up, so there we go. So yeah, that's your toolkit there. It's a 4mm hex bolt, hex key, sorry. And if I just dismantle this configuration for a second, you'll see where it normally goes. This is for your pillion grab handle that goes under the seat. So it's stored there. Like that. That's it. That's your whole toolkit right there. That's what you get with your very expensive Ducati Street Fighter. Now, I'll need to put that together because I don't want to risk losing it. So yeah, that's what you get. That is your toolkit. They don't want you touching this bike at all. Pretty much like when you buy high-end sports car nowadays. You can top up your washer fluid and check your dipstick, and that's pretty much all you can do. The only other things I tend to carry are a hex key that I use because when I first got these mirrors on, they needed adjusting occasionally, so I carry that just in case. And the other thing that I carry in there is a fuel cap opener for the Zoma cap. It's I carry one with me, but if I leave the house and haven't taken it with me, then I've got the spare under the seat. I've never had to use it yet, but you never know. So that's what you get under a Street Fighter. That's your toolkit. So I've shown you mine, you show me yours. So this is what I carry with me normally if I'm not relying on the toolkit under the seat, which with the Street Fighter, well, you can't really rely on that. So inside my little Kriega pack here, I usually carry some bungees, which I have had to use in the past. Zip ties you can't go wrong with, because if you lose a bolt or something, you can still usually run a loop with these and fasten a bit of fairing or whatever. Quite handy to have. these, I've got this screwdriver, and inside the handle there's a selection of Torx bits and screwdrivers. So that's quite handy, and it takes up very little space. And again, folding Allen keys, hex keys. And this, I have no idea where I got that. It must have come with a push bike or something years ago. But nice and handy, it doesn't take up much room. So I take those with me. I also take a friend with a GS 1200. They come in really handy because they've always got loads of room. And they usually carry every tool under the sun, including air compressors and inner tubes. So if you just want to get on with your day, not get weighted down with the kitchen sink, then just befriend somebody with a GS 1200 and you'll have nothing to worry about forevermore.